Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Lengba ka Civic Action Program, nalor kisnong gibaran haki kapon, henne kasngi ka khandai tarik ubna risau, ka tanat sipai yada kapon, hapadeng ka India bat ka ri Bangladesh, ka Border Security Force lengba ka Sector Headquarter BSF Shillong, kalapai kmatru syakawai niki school, badan hakani kanong ba Shillong, kata ka Nongmynsong Dorbar Secondary School, bat Synñiang shipon ki jingdong kam jong ki khana jongkani ka school. Hakajialang hene kasngi hakani ka school kakanhon jong kisipai Border Security Force hapok jingalam jong DIG URS Shekhawat la IT ya shibon kitiar syakinong penya jong ka Nongmynsong Dorbar Secondary School hapok jingalam khamat jong ka headmistress ikong Swilin Kharsono kitiar ke bala Synñiang dakani katnat sipai hakani kasngi ki kentop ya ki ben bat ki me chong class jong ki khana ki core computer ka projector bat shibon kitiar le ka jong ki khana.
2-3 messages for the children. You are future of the country and you must decide at this age only what you want to become in your life. Fix some aim and try work hard to achieve that aim. And I am confident, 100% confident, if you will try, if you will work hard, you will be able to achieve the aim. And second thing is, from my side, I appeal all of you to join defense forces and security forces. Reason behind is that in this defense services or forces, you will get chance to move around all over the India. So you are too little to understand all these things. But still, if you join defense forces, definitely you will get chance to move all around the country, see the people, different culture, different places. And second thing is, in the forces, you get good facilities, upkeepment of your health, that's more important. You get full chance to maintain your health. And third is that by joining defense forces, you will be getting a chance to serve the country, your motherland.